Assalamualaikum, we are from Group 5 who would like to talk about Industrial Building System, IBS for the case study. We choose to take the project at Batu Tinggi 2, Ketereh, Kelantan. There are 4 members total in this group. Firstly is me, Muhammad Farhan Syabir. Second, we have Muhammad Hamidi Zulfadli. Third, we have Anip Zuhari. And lastly, we have Tajul Amar.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hamidi Zulfadli bin Zulkarnain Afir. For the introduction, IBS use prefabricated components to speed up construction and improve quality. Precast concrete wall panels are a key method. What is precast concrete? Precast concrete is a panels are made of site in factories, making them stronger, more durable and consistent. The benefits for using these panels is resist weather, fire and damage, provide good insulation, and support creative designs. The efficiency and sustainability is off-site production allows faster builds, lowers labor costs and reduce waste. This case study focus about the use of precast walls panels in the Batu Tinggi 2 project, Ketereh, Kelantan, to assess improvements in local construction. The objective of this study is to investigate the construction techniques, methods and specifications applied in the project. Next, to identify the machinery and equipment used in the implementation of the IBS system. And lastly, to analyze the problems encountered during the project and the solutions implemented to resolve them. For the scope of study, the study was conducted at the Batu Tinggi 2 site in Ketereh, Kelantan, focusing on the use of the IBS precast concrete wall panel system. It covers the construction techniques, methods, specifications and the machinery used for fabrication, transportation and installation. The study does not include labor quantity, workforce management or cost analysis, focusing only on technical and operational aspects. There are 3 methods of study that we use in this report. Firstly is observation. Observation is the main method using during site visits and practical training. Photos and videos are taken using a smartphone to support report writing. Seeing the work firsthand helps improve understanding of the construction process. Secondly is interview. Unstructured interviews were held with Tuan Muhammad Rusdan and site workers. Topics include project duration, machinery, problems and improvements. Key information was noted to support report writing and understanding. Lastly is document review. Important documents were reviewed in the office, including photos and architectural drawings. These documents provide detailed and accurate information about the project's progress. All materials were shared by Tuan Muhammad Rusdan for reference and for reporting purpose. For the background of project, the case study focused on a single-story bungalow project in Batu Tinggi 2, Ketereh, Kelantan, valued at 3.2 million ringgit Malaysia, which ran from May 2023 to May 2025. The site is located in a vibrant area near schools, malls and other local landmarks. While the project involves various activities, this study centers on the use of the IBS, particularly the precast concrete wall panel system. The study examines the fabrication, transportation and installation of the panels, the machinery and equipment used and the challenges faced during the construction process.
My name is Muhammad Tajul Amar. I want to explain about construction technique. The IBS construction process starts with careful planning and design. This helps make sure all parts of the building fit together perfectly during assembly. Next, the components are made in the factory using special molds. These molds help create parts that are the same size and shape every time. Because everything is made in a controlled factory, the quality is better than building on site. The parts are strong, uniform and made to a high standard. IBS also use advanced machine and automation. This makes the process faster, reduce mistake and improve safety. IBS helps make construction faster because building parts are made in the factory and only need to be put together on site. It also needs less manual labor since machines do most of the work in the factory. There's less mess and noise at the site, so it's better for the environment and nearby people. Because parts are made indoor and bad weather does not slow down the work like in normal construction. IBS is great for building with the same design on each floor because the same part can be used again, saving time and cost.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hanif bin Zuhari. I would like to speak about method of construction of IBS. UAC solid panel is a widely used IBS wall system in Malaysia, made of polycy fiber cement. The panels are lightweight, durable and quick to install for non-load bearing for internal wall or external wall. First thing first is site preparation. Clear all debris and dust, then level the floor slab with a laser or spirit level. Mark panel position and fix steel U-channel firmly to the slab as the base track. Next is delivery and handling. Panels arrive factory, finishers unload them with a crane and keep them upright on timber or rubber pad in a dry, shaded area. Label panel clearly to match the installation sequences. Next is a panel installation. Lift each panel onto the U-channel, connect the tongue and groove joint and sequence with screw or bolt. Check plumb and alignment continually. Acceptable tolerance is 2 to 5 mm. Brace tall panel temporary. Jointing work. Fill panel joint with UAC joint compound. Apply fiberglass tape. Add a second coat and sand smooth. For exterior wall, seal all joint with polythene and full waterproofing. Next is a finishing. Apply a skim coat or thin plaster to achieve a flat surface. Then paint or apply other finishes. Services such as wiring and piping can be chased and concealed with the panel face. Next is quality control. Inspect vertical and horizontal alignment, surface flatness and joint integrity. Replace any damaged panel. Excuse compliance with UAC certificate CIDB, IBS score and SIRIM standard. And lastly is a safety procedure. All workers must wear full PPE. Mark the work zone, use certificate crane operator and inspect lifting gear daily. Keep an emergency plan and first aid kit on site.
My name is Muhammad Farshah Baby Yusni, and I would like to talk about machineries and equipment that we use in this project. In the IBS project, we need the right tool and equipment on site to make sure everything is done safely, correctly and quickly. One of the most important machines is the mobile crane. This crane is used to lift and place big precast parts like wall panel and floor slab. Since these parts are very heavy, the crane helps us install them safely and fast. After placing them, we use temporary bracing to hold the part in place. This is to stop them from moving or falling before we secure them fully. At the start of the project, there is usually no electricity, so we use a site generator to power our tools. For make sure the parts are straight and level, we use a line laser level. This tool helps check the alignment during installation. We also use a measuring tape and spirit level to double check size and levels by hand. To join parts together, we use a hammer drill to make hole in the concrete. This is for inserting starter bar and double bar, which help the panel and slab to make the structure strong. We also mix mortar using electric mixer and a mixing drum. The mortar is used to join the part together. Sometimes we add fiber mesh to make the joint area strong and prevent crack. For temporary fixing, we use bracket and nails, which we shoot in using a nail gun. This helps to keep parts in place quickly before the final connection are made. All these tools and material are important to make sure IBS construction is done well and on time.
I would like to talk about advantage of IBS. First thing is faster construction. UAC solid panel are prefabricated off-site and arrive ready to install. This element wet treat like bricklayer and plastering allow faster project completion and reduce delay. Yearly completion allow improve return on investment for developer. Next is cost saving. Less labor is required on site for a shorter time. Factory control quality, reduce material waste and rework. The system also lower the need for formwork, scaffolding and wet curing. Overall cost saving can reach 15%, especially in large project. Next is high quality. Each panel is processed under strict quality control with consistent size, surface finish and strength. This ensures neater wall finishes with a few defects compared to traditional method, reducing the need for touch-up. Next is better insulation. USC solar panel provide excellent thermal and sound insulation. This improves indoor comfort and reduce energy use for air conditioning or heating, especially important for resident and commercial building. Next is a cleaner and safer site. As most work is done off-site, there is less dust, noise and waste on site. This makes the construction site cleaner and safer, especially in tight urban area. The next is flexible for services. Panel can be just for electrical and plumbing work without damage structure integrity. This makes MAE installation easily and improve coordination between trades. And the last is suitable construction. USC solar panel support green building goal. It reduce carbon footprint, material waste and contribute to certificates such as Malaysian Green Building (GBI). Next is I would like to talk about the challenges. First thing, requires precise planning. IBS wall panel need accurate coordination between design, manufacturing and installation. Any design error or last minute change may lead to delay, material waste or extra cost due to panel replacement. Second is site readiness is critical. The slab must be flat and prepared correctly before installation. Uneven or mismatches floor level can cause misalignment, affect stability and lead to structural issue. Proper site surveying is essential. Next is handling and space. The panel required heavy equipment like crane or forklift for unloading and installation. In narrow or urban site, limited space can make panel handling difficult. Storing panel on uneven or exposed ground may cause a damage. Next is a skill level required. Incorrect installation due to poor workmanship or lack of training can lead to problem. All workers must be properly trained, especially those handling, lifting equipment and working with safety measures. For the last is weather dependency. Installation can be delayed due to weather conditions such as strong wind or heavy rain. This is especially distributive on open or high-rise sites where safety risks are higher. Next is the outcome. First thing, faster project completion. The use of IBS wall panels speed up construction, allow quicker handover, yearly building operation and faster fit out workers, especially critical for fast track and public infrastructure project with tight delay. Next is high quality finish. Panel offers smooth and consistent finish on both sides with minimal defect. Less touch-up is required, saving time and labor costs while enhance the building final appearance and quality. Next is long-term cost saving. Although the initial material cost may be high, overall saving and achieved through reduced labor, shorter project timelines, fewer defects, and minimal material waste, making budget and procurement easily. Next is improved site safety with fewer workers, less machinery, and reduced wet radius on site risks are significant lowered. This promote a safer work environment and better site control. Next is environmental sustainability. The system support green construction by reducing carbon footprint, water usage, and construction waste. It contributes to highest green building index (GBI) score and may quality for green incentivity. For the last is support national construction goal. Adapting IBS panel help modernize Malaysia construction industry and reduce dependency on conventional method, aligning with national goal for innovative and sustainability in construction.
Information about regulatory and sustainability aspect in Malaysia. IBS is managed by the Construction Industry Development Board or CIDB. CIDB has promote IBS to contractor and check how much it used in building. They also give certificate to IBS manufacturer and product to make sure the quality is good. All IBS project must follow the Uniform Building Bylaw (UBBL). This rule makes sure buildings are safe, have good airflow, clean sanitation, fire protection. The Department of Occupational Safety and Health or DOSH make sure workers are safe when IBS parts are moved, lifted and put together on site. They have prevent accident during construction. IBS is more eco-friendly than traditional building method. Since parts are made in a factory with accurate measurement, it reduces waste at the construction site. It also creates less noise, dust and disturbance, which is better for people and the environment around the site. IBS encourages the use of recyclable and energy-saving materials, which help protect natural resources. It also supports the Green Building Index (GBI) by helping buildings save water and energy, improve indoor air quality, and support smart site planning. Overall, IBS help build in cleaner, greener, and more sustainable way. In conclusion, IBS allow for faster and better construction because most of the building parts are made in a factory. These parts are then brought to the site and quickly assembled, saving time compared to traditional building method. It also improves quality, accuracy, and safety. Since the components are made in a controlled environment, they are more precise and consistent. This helps reduce mistakes and makes the structure safer and more reliable. Another big advantage is that IBS reduces waste and pollution. Factory production use material more efficiently, and there is less dust, noise, and waste on the construction site, making it more environmental friendly. IBS also support green and sustainable building goals. It helps save energy, water, and material and can meet standards like the Green Building Index, which promotes eco-friendly construction. Even though IBS may have a higher cost at the beginning, it brings better long-term benefit. It saves time, reduces repair, and offers high quality, making it a smart investment for the future of the construction industry.